welcome back to Gurney. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to plant bulbs. So the Growing Colors company, which I work with, the ones who sent me the plugs to try out this year, the berry smoothie heuchera and the Arizona apricot gaillardia, along with those plugs, they went ahead and sent me a few iris bulbs to go ahead and plant and try out this year. So the iris I'm gonna go ahead and be planting today is the Iris Piggy Sue. It's a beautiful coral pink color, and I already have a plan in where I'm gonna plant them. I'll be planting them along a wall in front of our house that will be showcased for everybody to see, and I hope it looks pretty and it's showcased good. So I'll be giving you guys updates. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Right here is the area I'm gonna be planting them, right along this back fence right here, wall. So here's the Piggy Sue irises, as you can see right here. They're bare root. So I highly recommend an auger because it's way easier to use. We're also gonna be putting Espoma plant tone. I recommend you use Espoma bulb tone. I just don't have any. And we have the little tags. We're gonna go ahead and put them in. So we shall start the process. So guys, that's it. So I went ahead and planted all 25 bulbs right here. So you can see all 25 has been planted all across this wall. It's gonna look gorgeous and I'm really excited. So just to mention, if you didn't notice, the way to plant a bulb is to dig your hole, add a bit of fertilizer, and then you have to face the roots down below. If your bulbs don't have roots, then it's gonna be an obvious up and down piece, meaning there's gonna be a top and a bottom, and you want to put the bottom in the hole and then refill it with soil and water it really well, and then you're gonna have to wait until they sprout, and then you're gonna have to water constantly, and then they're gonna take off. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video just comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. So thank you guys so much, and a huge shout out to the Growing Colors company for sending these bulbs out to try out this year. Their links will be down below, so please make sure to go support them and check them out for the 2021 program. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.